How to use Strava on Garmin Watch. Via the Garmin Connect mobile app, navigate the settings, connected apps, and select Strava. Tap Agree, sign in, and authorize connection. Once linked, activities from the past 90 days sync automatically, and all future Garmin recorded workouts appear in your Strava timeline. Second, syncing Strava routes to your Garmin watch. In the Garmin Connect app, go to More, Settings, Connected Apps, and ensure Courses is enabled for Strava. Go to Training and Planning, then Courses to find the route. Then on your watch, start an activity, then tap Menu, Browse, Courses, select your route, and begin. The watch guides your navigation. Now, some of the common sync and data issues and fixes are sync delays or interruptions. Sometimes uploads stall due to server or maintenance issues. These usually resolve on their own. Avoid disconnecting apps in the meantime. Missing heart rate data. Ensure Strava has access to health data via its settings under data permissions. If only using Strava for tracking, ensure your Garmin watch is broadcasting as a heart rate monitor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.